GMORS is dedicated to delivering optimal sealing solutions for global automotive OEMs. GMORS is equipped with an advanced in-house tooling facility, and we utilize high-quality materials and precision machining equipment to satisfy diverse product design requirements. Our TAF-accredited laboratory, featuring comprehensive testing instruments and a professional engineering team. We accumulated hundreds of rubber compounds to comply to automotive specifications, driven by continuous innovation. By implementing the MES system, we fully monitor and track every production step. Through our PLM system, we rigorously control all process parameters to ensure each production batch follows SOPs with complete data traceability in system. This guarantees both product quality and production efficiency. We strictly control dimensions and appearance using high-precision measuring equipment to ensure each part is compliant to design specifications and quality standards. To meet automotive cleanliness requirements, GMORS has established clean rooms to prevent contamination and ensure stability. With comprehensive quality certifications and operational excellence, GMORS stands as your most reliable partner in the automotive supply chain. GMORS is dedicated to delivering exceptional sealing solutions through technological innovation, intelligent manufacturing, and sustainable principles. We strive to co-create long-term value with our stakeholders and drive continuous advancement of the industry. GMORS, seals to your heart.